Hi, Roland Cassidy, Carroll Street Auto. We're going to take this 62 Corvette for a spin. I want to show you all the instruments and stuff. Wonder-bar radio, clock. I believe the clock's working too because I saw it like 20 minutes ago, and this is moved. Factory T-handle, pencil shifter they call it. NOS gauges. Look at how brilliant the dash and everything is on this thing. Tack works. 44,383 actual miles on this car. Everything inside has been restored. We're gonna go for a short spin so you can see. Yikes!
Radio works.
It has tubes. I had it on for like, I don't know, 45 seconds. It needs to warm up those tubes. I'm gonna be quiet though so you can hear there's no rattles. Should have the top down. It's 100 degrees in Manchester, New Hampshire. We should have the top down on this baby. Look at that. Smooth. .411 posi traction rear. Little hiccup there. I love 411 gears. That's the only way to go. This guy ordered this special intended for one thing. A little bit of street racing. Thing's unbelievable. I'm excited to have this in our showroom, to be honest with you. Being an original car with original paperwork, with the original drivetrain, with original ownership history. Phenomenal car. No squeaks, no rattles, no hiccups really. Comes with one soft top, a ton of paperwork, original bill of sale. Documented miles, oil pressure, look at this, 60 pounds oil pressure. I just started this thing up. Let go of the steering wheel, look at that. No hands, try. So, whoop. 62 Corvette. I wanted to give you a sneak preview of this car because this one really is well restored. Carroll Street Classics, thanks for viewing. We're the purveyor of classic cars, and we appreciate your interest in our 62. Thank you.